Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video is another Makeup Monday video, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. If you're new here and you don't know, every Monday, me and some love ladies on Instagram, we do a collab called hashtag Makeup Monday. But I do the video here to let you know how I created it. We had a blast doing this each week, and we did different themes. This week's theme was pink, and I decided to do a Valentine's look for this theme. So I did like little pink hearts on the side of my eye and the inner corner. Everything on my face is like pink colored, and I really like it. That's one of my favorite colors, so I was so happy that she picked out this theme. And I want to do a Valentine's look because it is February, and I love doing Valentine's look themed makeup looks, so I'm trying to do Valentine's all month long. So this is what they look like. Let me know what you think. I know the hearts aren't perfect on the corner of my eyes. I try my best to make them as perfect as I could. That's how they turned out. And I will link the ladies down below, their Instagram, so please go check out their Instagram and show them some love. And tell them I sent you if you're new to their Instagram, and make sure you do follow them. If you did stop by from Instagram and came to watch this video, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you do support my YouTube channel more. I really, really do appreciate it. So now let's talk about what makeup I used. So the first the palette I used is, I only used a couple shades out of this palette because I wanted the main focus to be a heart. I used the Pink Religion palette by Jeffree Star. Looks like this. Here is the color story of it if you don't know. So what I did is the first shade I used is Saint Star. I think that's what it's called, Saint Star. This light pink at the top to set my lid and to put it all over my lid. And that's what I did first. And I did put a little bit of that under my eye as well. And then I took a clean brush and blended out the edges of that. I didn't film that part. And then after that, I went in with the Unicorn Glow liner in 03, but it's the pink shade. Here's what it looks like. And I really love Unicorn Glow. I really recommend them. I do have a code for them if you want to use that at checkout. But this is the pink line that I did the hearts on, the big heart right here, and then the little hearts in the middle. There is a shade. There is also a blue shade, and I think a yellow shade that they have. Really love this brand. It's a really good one, and I really recommend them. I will link it down below as well as my code if you do want to use that checkout. I don't think I get anything from it, but hopefully it still works. Then I went in with the Unicorn Glow Gleam Eye Glitter in O2 Gem, and I did that in my inner corner and under my brow bone. It's such a pretty glitter. I really like it. I was going to put it on my lid, but I decided not to because I think I had a problem with it first over eyeshadow. But really like it. There's like different pink glitter, blue glitter, green glitter. So there's all these types of glitter, but I just put that on there. Really like this stuff. You can put it on your eye, but I had a problem with it when I did it over eyeshadow. So I'm thinking you might want to do it over bare lids. So then for my mascara, the first mascara I used is the Lash Step. The Lash Step mascara looks like this. And I think this dried out, so I'm going to declutter that because I wasn't really working as much as it used to, so I've decided to declutter it. But I did put a little bit of wanderbeauty Bio High Club over top of it to make it a little bit more lashes, but that's what it looks like. I didn't want to put no false lashes on, I just wanted to make the focus be on my eyes, that's what I like to do. Then I did, first I did frosted coat on my nose, but then it didn't show up, so I did put over a different color. So here's what frosted coat looks like. Coat, I meant. And then I did put over top of that, I think prom night. Yeah, prom night. And did a little heart on my nose. That is a cute heart nose because I really like that. For Valentine's Day, put a little heart nose on my nose. Then I think that's all I did for my eyes. Then I went in. I totally forgot. You might have saw that during the clip. The lip gloss I did use is Lovecraft Beauty and Romantic. It's like a pink color. I really love their lip glosses. They're not sticky. There's like a little touch of pink. So pretty on the lips. I really like that. Then the last thing I use is the Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist to set my face, and that's all I use for my makeup. I will link it down. All of the products I did use, I will link down below. They're just like to get there, no affiliates or anything. If you do want to use a affiliate, there is a affiliate section that has my link tree as well as my Walmart storefront. So if you do want to use any of my affiliates, really would help out the channel. Some of the affiliates I do get a small commission from, and some affiliates are just for y'all. I mean, not affiliates, codes, I meant. Some of the codes I have, you just get some money off, and then some codes I have, um, I don't get nothing for myself, but you get some money off, and some are just codes for y'all. So just want to make that clear for y'all. But if y'all don't want to use any of those, I will link the product itself. It's just a link to get there, no affiliate or anything, so y'all know, because I know some people are different and want to use different things. And yeah, so that's all the makeup used, and now let's talk about what I wear today. So the first thing I did is put my hair in pigtails, so cute with pink hair bows. I always like these pigtails, are so cute. And then I did these little heart clips that are pearls, but they have hearts in the middle of them, just to tie the Valentine's look. Then I'm wearing the necklace my boyfriend got me because I really like it. And then I'm just wearing this sweater that I got from Temu. If I can find it, I'll link it for y'all. I do have a code for Temu that I think still works, so you could use that at checkout. If you want to shop on Temu, if you still do. I do have a code to link for them. I will link it down below. But this is a cute sweater. It's very good quality made. It's not like sheer or anything. It's very warm and cozy. I really like it. I love the cute little hearts on it. I decided to wear it for today because I like the cute print. And yeah, and I like to show y'all inspiration what I wear just because you want to know what to wear with this look. But you can wear anything like pink, anything you would like. But this is what I'm wearing for today, so you know. So that's all we're today, and that'll be it for today's video. So if you got this far in the video and you enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. And comment down below your favorite color for Valentine's Day, red or pink. I'm on the pink side, but I'd love to know what your side's your own. To be shouted out the next video on my channel. If you want to see me shout out the previous video on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section, which will be YouTubers as well as subscribers. So you know, so please do check them out. So again, unicorns, if you do want to be shouted out, answer that question. If you don't want to answer the question, just say you watch it full. You'll also be shouted out the next video also below my channel. So I forgot to mention that I will link the playlist for Makeup Monday just in case you want to watch past collabs that I have done for this collab. You can watch that playlist. I really recommend you to run that playlist because it will help with watch time hours, and I really do appreciate it. So please do check it out and run it. And again, this is an Instagram class, so if you do want to see the overlays, please go check out my Instagram. It's always linked down below, or their Instagram will be linked there as well. So please check them out, show some love, follow them if you're new to them, comment other pictures. They're such talented ladies, and they do amazing work on their makeup skills, and I really love to see what they do each week. So hopefully y'all do enjoy it as well. And the last thing I want to mention, I think there's a sale that's going on soon on my merch shop. I forgot to share it on my computer, but I will after this video. There's one coming soon, but please do check out my merch shop. Shop on there to get some Valentine gifts ideas or anything like that. I really would be the world if somebody would shop on there because I want to get like a little bit more sales on my merch shop because it really does help support the channel. So if you do want to support the channel, and it'll kind of be like a birthday gift to me, go shop on there. The cheapest one items are stickers, magnets, and pins. So if you don't have a lot of money and you still want to support a little bit, get those items because they're the cheapest one on my site. But you get anything you want, and please tag me your post if you do get anything. If you share it on Instagram or do a video, just please tag me out to go check it out, and I'll shout you out and to say thank you. So so that's it for today's video. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of today's video with the pink theme, doing Valentine's theme makeup look. Let me know what you thought of this. I think it turned out really cute, but I'd love to know your thoughts. Please let me know. And also let me know down below if you love seeing Makeup Mondays each week. Like I love doing it. I love to do that as well. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.